Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make one of the most delicious and tasty shrimp fried rice that you will ever make. This recipe is so good, I know that everyone is going to love it. So before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. So friends, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. A pound and a half of shrimps, thoroughly clean and washed, and a combination of mixed spices. So friends, to begin marinating, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my combination of mixed spices. For this recipe, I will leave a full list of ingredients below so you can always check it out. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and also 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, you want to go right ahead and just give it a good mix and set it aside for 15 or 20 minutes. For this recipe, you certainly can prep overnight. Of course, when it comes to taste, it does make a big difference. So friends, for additive taste and flavor, chopped ginger. So friends, for this recipe, you're going to need a total of 4 eggs. Next, in a heated pan, 2 tablespoons of oil and also 1 tablespoon of butter. Once fully melted, next you want to go right ahead and add your egg and just cook it for a minute or two. So friends, as mentioned earlier, for a full list of ingredients you can find below in the description box. So if you're new to my channel as well, please consider subscribing for more easy video recipe. So friends, after a few minutes, you want to go ahead and remove and set aside. Using the same pan, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a bit of chopped garlic and just stir fry for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my shrimps and cook them for a few minutes. So friends, after 3 minutes, we are all done. I'm just going to remove and set aside once more. Using the same pan, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of oil. Next, I'm going to add my rice. For this recipe, I'm using jasmine rice. So friends, for making fried rice, it's always best to use the rice from the previous day. Next, I'm just going to let it stir fry for a few minutes before adding my mixed spices. So friends, to season my rice, I'll be using a combination of 5 spices. Basically a combination of 5 different blend of spices. Also for this recipe, you certainly can add fried rice seasoning as well. Next, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, you just want to go right ahead and just give it a good mix. So friends, after a good mix, next you want to go right ahead and add your egg and give it a good mix as well. So my friend, if you enjoy my recipe and my cooking, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add a combination of grated carrots and also spring onion. So friend, after a good mix, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my cooked shrimps and just give it a good mix as well. So my friend, at this point we are all done. Now you know how to make tasty and delicious shrimp fried rice in little or no time. Shrimp fried rice recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.